Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Really interesting problem today. We need to find this answer. So let's try to solve this interesting IQ question. Right here on the right hand side we have a lot of options. We have A, B, C and D. So right now I suggest you to solve it by yourself. Pause the video and write your suggestion in comment. It will be more interesting for you, and of course for me I will see how many answers will be correct. So I'll right now try to solve it, and after 20 seconds we will check our answer. So we have a really interesting brain test today. So we have that 6 plus 2 equal to 8, 6 plus 4 equal to 20, and we need to find what it will be equal to 6 plus 8, this answer. So let's try to solve it, let's try to think about this answer. So we have that 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Of course this is correct, but what about the next row? We have 6 plus 4 equal to 20, which is absolutely incorrect. So we need to find the pattern between these numbers, 8 and 20, and of course I suggest you to see a little bit closer to this, because if we not add but multiply 6 by 2, so if we multiply 6 times 2, we will have 12. And if we multiply 6 by 4, not add but multiply by 4, so 6 times 4, we will have 24. So I suggest you to look closely to this number, so to this 24 and 20, and to this 12 and 8. What the pattern do you see between these numbers? So take a look closely. If we subtract from this 12, so if we subtract from this 12, if we subtract 4, so from here, so minus 4, we will have 12 minus 4 will be 8, will be equal to 8. So if we use the same pattern in the next row, we will have 24 minus 4 will be equal to 20. So I hope you see this pattern between all these numbers. So let's check this pattern in the last row, and let's find the answer. Maybe we'll have this answer, it will be really good. So firstly we multiply, so 6 times 8, it will be equal to 48, and of course we need to subtract 4. So this number we need to subtract 4. So I hope you see this pattern between all of these numbers, and let's do the last step. So 48 minus 4, it will be equal to 44. So it looks like our answer. But now take a look closely to the option. Maybe we'll have this option, maybe we don't have this option. So let's look closely to this answer. So as you can see, we have this option B. Option B equal is 44. But what about you? Maybe you find another pattern between all of these numbers. It will be more interesting to read it. Maybe you find another pattern between this number. It will be really good to read your explanation, your solution. And of course, thank you so much for watching. Put your thumbs up if you enjoy my content. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.